Okay, mali daw po yung nasa program. So, tayo na po for the Pledge of Loyalty. At ito po ay pangungunahan ni Mark Andre Salva, Preparatory Pupil. Palakpakan natin si Mark Andre.
Ito tayo.
Taas ang kanang kamay at sumunod sa kilid. Pledge of loyalty. Pledge of loyalty. We will graduate. We will graduate. Of class 2011-2012. Of class 2011-2012. Placed on our heart. Placed on our heart. To live by the principles. To live by the principles. That have been. That have been. Nurturing us. Nurturing us. At give further center. At give further center. To do the best. To do the best. That the will of God. The will of God. And our family. And our family. Be loyal.
Oy,
Be loyal. To our
ang laki.
family. Our family. And its alma mater. And its alma mater. At all times.
Tutok lang nga siya. Tutok lang nga siya.
Okay, thank you very much. Ang galing-galing naman ni Mark.